Say, show me again. I didn't get that. You're on what?
Say car keys.
Car keys.
And what did you say, Sam?
You're gonna have to buy your own car.
Wait, here's your
Mom,
beanbag
look.
pillow that we forgot to wrap up.
My beanbag pillow. Look, Mom. My beanbag pillow. Mom, I got another book. Now we
You're gonna
can.
need it, aren't you?
Now, beanbag pillow. Oh, whoa. This guy is like the bomb.
Yes.
Is what?
This guy's like the bomb.
Oh, .com.
Pillow. That's the word that I gave you. Look at my real camera.
I know, I'm put the batteries in for you. Want me to?
Mine too.
Okay.
Sam, like my real camera. I got a real.
Both of you got your own real camera now.
See, look.
I spent 30 minutes deleting 100 pictures of a television off my camera last night.
My camera.
Sam, 100 pictures of a television.
I can't believe that I got Captain Underpants.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I can't wait for you to read them to me. I've never read any of his books.
Look at my real camera. Look at my real skateboard.
Well, it's all real.
Now I have 2 skateboards. Now I can give you my other skateboard.
Blake, what's
That
this?
skateboard was actually
What's this?
a little girl skateboard. Now you have a boy skateboard.
Well, if you try to make your tower, if it can't not fall down, if it can freeze up and it can steal,
Okay, I'll cut it up.
if you make your tower and if it falls down, you lose. If it doesn't, you win.
Oh, well, she already knows the rules to Jenga, Mom.
She does?
Yeah, make a tower, and if you make it fall down, you lose, and if you don't, you win.
Oh,
Pretty
that's
much.
exactly right.
Hey,
Okay, I did
The rules
Sam's
of the game.
skateboard. Blake, hand me your camera. I'm going to take turns doing stuff. I just did your skateboard, Sam. There it is. Now I'm going to do Blake's camera.
after my camera didn't do Blake stuff, could you do my Pokemon?
Uh-huh. We'll just take turns.